Good morning to the judges. We are FreshTech Group and this is our prototype B6. My name is Keith, this is Ivan, and this is Sean. I'm the group leader of this group.
I'm the main researcher of this group.
I'm the main technician of this group. Our purpose statement is that how can we encourage students to return a reusable cup to the canteen after usage as appropriate? Example of problems: cups will be returned, canteen has to buy more cups for replacement, machine environment, cups being misplaced around the school grounds, and lack of motivation of the students. And this is the example by machine environment. After they use the cups, they leave it there because their hangout place is far from the canteen, so they are lazy to return back the cups. Fun facts: all of them is usually 6 to 7 cups unreturned after usage, leading to lack of supply of useful students to use. Our solution is that we make this product is that whenever you put 50 cents in the machine for the deposit, and then the machine you can dispense the cup. And once you get the cup, you can fill in whatever liquid you like, such as the canteen, Milo, Bandung, green tea, whatever lah. And then after you're done drinking, you put back the cup inside the tube. And once the sensor detects the tube, the cup will in the tube. The machine will deposit out 50 cents, which giving back the deposit.
The pros of this project, it could be eco-friendly and the problem of missing cups will gradually disappear. Extra advantages of this project, we can encourage students to be more responsible, inspires other schools, teaches students to be more organized, and is a simple activity. In conclusion, our smart cup returner system helps to solve the problem of students returning cups, and this activity is fair for the eco-friendly, creating a positive reputation for the school.
Okay, so this is our prototype. It works by using Arduino. Look, there's one Arduino, one ultrasonic sensor, and one servo so far, and one LCD screen. It works basically when you put a coin, and when the second sensor detects the coin, it will spin this servo, and then it will pull this. Since we don't have the sensor right now, so we're using a manual button. The cup will be dispensed. That's the cup dispenser system with me. So this is the sensor which will sense when the cup would be returned. Using this cup, when I drop it here, sensor will see it. Screen will say, probably didn't see that, so I'll do it again. It said cup return, releasing coin release. So that's so far on our prototype. And this is also the code for our prototype. This is mostly a finished project. Okay, so in our final model, we would have everything on the cup returner would have a revolver. The cup returner would have a revolver type mechanism, which after 5 cups have been returned, it will spin, allowing more space to the cups to be returned. So that's